are out getting a fish and chips for dinner. We're being chubby little messes because we have travelled all the way to Aviemore to get it. We didn't fancy any of the fish and chips in our local town because it's not the best. So yeah, but we've got here. Michael's now decided that he wants a Chinese. So we're waiting for my chippy, order Michael's Chinese, and then we're going to go to the M&S garage and pick out a dessert. So yeah, the little piggies that we are, we've gone into M&S and we've bought ourselves a dessert. But we've not just bought ourselves dessert, we got jam donuts that were reduced down to £1. So we have got a ridiculous amount of food.
Grab that.
What have you bought?
I got you one of them.
Thank you.
Don't say I'm not good to you.
We're back from our adventures of buying Eurovision snacks and other stuff. The first thing that I found here was doggy ice cream. I got some ice cream for Toby. I'll see if he likes them, and yeah, if he does, then I can get him some more. So it'd be a nice cool snack for him. Aldi also have their natural cheese bites back. So we got 3 boxes for snacks and for Eurovision munch as well. Michael found, I won't be eating this, but I'll have a taste. It's a limited edition mac and cheese pizza. Who knew such things existed? So for Michael's dessert, he got toffee tarts, and I got a lemon posset. So nice, because my granny mom makes me ones with monk fruit and stuff. But yeah, I thought I would just have this, and then she can have the ramekin after. Eurovision drinks. Michael is having vodka with his mixer things, which he'll show you. He's just gonna have to get them. And I got these. They're alcohol-free strawberry and lime cider things. I got 2 of those. So I'll put them in the fridge and they'll be nice and cold and nice. I got this huge bag of crisps. I don't know how many you get. You get 20 bags of crisps in here.
It's a family share pack.
So they're good. Drink for Eurovision.
This is pink lemonade. And this is cloudy lemonade. That's all I'm going to be drinking in Eurovision.
Some more Eurovision snacks. These are like Kinder Bueno knockoff things. I found these, they're Poppets caramel brownies. I thought they looked tasty. Oh my god, you bought two packs of these.
Yeah.
2 packs of these little cakes.
There's only 10 in each.
Oreos. Hi Phoebe. You can start putting that stuff away I've already.
I wasn't sure.
Michael's coffees.
Because coffee makes the world go round.
Milka. I got the little Milka, and it's Happy Cow one. Some more crisps. The other drink that I got is The lemon Coca-Cola, I really love this. Just one glass is always enough for me, and I have my ice that I make at home, so a nice cold lemon Coke will be very nice. The rest of the stuff isn't for Eurovision, but I can show you anyway.
Could be for Eurovision.
2 buffaloes, kitchen roll, you can't go wrong. Bin bags. Oh, there is one more thing for Eurovision. We got these. They are glow sticks, and you can make them into bracelets and necklaces and things, so we'll have those. Got some honey nut with chocolate chip Velvetas. I have these every morning, and they're a lot cheaper in Home Bargains than Tesco. I feel like I've been ripped off now for weeks. Michael got some of the cat cake low calorie biscuits, some carpet fresh stuff. We got this floor cleaner. We got some spray stuff, and it smells amazing. Michael shower gel.
Best quality shower gel.
Hand soap. And these things I found were new. This is the Designer Fragrances Fabric Freshener, and it smells amazing. I don't know if you can see. It's 2 spell, iris, jasmine, and patchouli. And this is, I'm assuming, a dupe for the Sol de Janeiro stuff. It's leave-in conditioner for smooth, shiny hair. It's coconut oil and chamomile leave-in conditioner, vanilla and almond. Squishy this thing, it smells amazing. Actually does smell like the Sol de Janeiro stuff. And that is our Aldi and Home Bargains shop.
Well, first on camera, Hayley can decide what she's making us for dinner tonight. What will the food be tonight?
I think steak and chips with peppercorn sauce and spinach.
Ooh.
That's what we're having.
That's what we're having then.
You keen?
Yeah, I'm always keen.
Cool. So, we're gonna go put this away, and I'll pop back in later. Oh, wow, okay. So we are in Nairn. We've come to Nairn for the day because it is such a nice day. We've got 18 degrees and the sun is out. It's lovely. So we found this really cute little cafe. It sells the most amazing cakes that I've ever seen. They look so good. But Michael is just in getting a pie because he wants to have something savoury first because it is lunchtime. But my stomach has still not been the best, so I'm just going to avoid having too much. I'll have a taste of our cakes. This is my one. It's raspberry and white chocolate. It looks amazing. Michael got a Lotus Biscoff Whoopie.
I don't know what it is,
Look
but I want
at
it. Do you reckon there's just cream in between 2 like biscuits? How are you going to eat that? Your jaw doesn't open that wide.
What have you got?
A cheese and onion sandwich.
Ooh,
that looks really good though.
Really good.
I was going to go a pie, but they didn't look as good as the sandwich, oddly enough. So.
No. Yeah, it's such a nice day. I'm going to have to turn on the air conditioning actually because I'm cooking hot.
Turn on again.
It is roasty toasty. I mean, look at the size of that.
Oh my god.
I don't know how I'm going to eat it.
With great difficulty.
That is dreamy.
Oh, wow.
Even that cake is moist.
So my sandwich, because it's made with spring onion, it kind of tastes a little bit like potato salad. In a weird way. Oh, I'll show them that cake. £3.30.
That is amazing. That cake is amazing. It's so dense and delicious, and the sponge is just it's better than the cake lady. There's little white chocolate drops on it.
What's a statement better than the cake lady?
Oh, that sponge is better than the cake.
I'm impressed. You're like a snake.
I'm intrigued to try yours because mine
Try
is
it.
amazing.
You can have first bite. Try
You
it.
have to try some of mine.
I'm doing too cool.
They sell ice cream for dogs in there.
Aww.
There's a doggy shop next to us, which we're going in after. It's called Tia Rescue. Oh, it's for rescued animals who are like greyhounds who run and horse racing.
Oh, that's nice.
It's rescued racing animals.
What did we get by the dog?
I wish. I love greyhounds.
I was thinking
I think it just sells like animal-y stuff, which I'm all for. You're gonna die.
I'm gonna die. Just that's it. Better than how we go.
Yeah. Granny Mom. Hello?
Oh, how are you getting on, Hayley?
Yeah, not bad. Oh, well. What did you think of the cakes, Mike?
Yours was simply the best sponge I've ever had, bar none. And I didn't like mine.
Really?
I wasn't too big a fan of it to the point where I was kind of like, meh.
Did you
It's in the
know?
back. No, it's in the back if you want it.
Well, we can trade then.
No. You have both of them.
Yeah, we're gonna go check out this little doggy shop.
Oh yeah, there's a shop you want to go and help
Yeah,
in there.
so-
Oh, do you have tissue?
I made Hayley do a thing. What's that? Jim Jones. Oh yeah, nice. Lobster.
Angry lobsters.
No, they're happy lobsters. A testimony.
2 pairs of bottoms, they're really nice.
Oh,
I like those.
yeah. Look at these. They're shark. Oh, they're shark. Hayley, stop. Oh my god. Oh, Hills. What do we think of sharks? I don't know, everyone. I can't tell what they are. Oh, they're swimming trunks.
We've had an exciting day, actually. That looks a lot better than the first one did anyway.
It smells a lot better.
Yeah. We done some nice shops and I got some really nice things and I got some stuff for Anna because I've not said this yet, but Annika is having a neon party disco tomorrow. What do you think of that?
Oh, no.
And I'm helping her get ready. I got her a really nice outfit and we're gonna do her hair and her makeup. I got her some like neon jewellery out of this crystal shop. All the rings were 50p. I got myself one actually as well. It was really nice.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, we did some good little shops. And then we went to Sainsbury's and we got some nice stuff there.
And Hayley had a shot of an electric scooter.
Yeah, Michael encouraged me to go on a little scooter and actually it wasn't as bad as what I thought it was going to be. I thought like tons of people are going to stare, I'm going to crash into stuff. I'm just going to be insecure, but it was actually not that bad. I think I just built it up in my head to be something more than what it was.
Nobody cares though, like nobody was looking around.
Yeah, I think it'll be a lot better now, like, you know, when we're going around Tesco's and Inverness and stuff. But Michael's having a McDonald's. I'm not allowed to eat just now. And we are at Nairn Beach. Just looking out. We're going to go out and... What is it?
Oh.
While we were in the shop, we bought ourselves a little bucket and spade, and it's got little accessories with it. I mean, it's for little tiny kids.
Cool.
But there's 7 pieces in it. It was like £3. So we thought we'd go just chill on the beach and make a sandcastle. and it would be fun. And I got Pig's birthday present in here, and I got some more bubbles from Azuki. I'll show you everyone when we get home.
Bad things are happening with me.
Yeah, I treated myself to some nice. You didn't see a thing I bought you. Close your eyes.
Let's go.
Right, close your eyes. How about you? I got Michael.
That's just my favorite dinosaur.
Yeah, like last year I got Michael a little crystal lizard.
Tyrannosaurus Rex.
That's not his name. It's a triceratops
That's
or something. Yeah, and they had a little dinosaur of his favorite dinosaur one, so he got that.
I love him.
Yeah, I got some. I can't believe these were 50p. I got Annika some like really bright coloured rings. I mean, they should fare because they fit me and I've got the tiniest little fingers. So. Oh yeah, they'll definitely fare. But I just thought nice accessories to go with their outfit. And she said that there's a prize for the best dressed with the neon theme.
Oh, she's convinced she's won it.
Yeah, and look, I could not believe this is, I think, Tiger's Eye. This ring was down to 50p. A Tiger's Eye, actual, like, proper ring.
Do you know, McDonald's did not give me a single salt sachet.
Ah, did I pack mine?
Oh, sorry. Everything was pre-salted to buggery.
I don't think I packed mine anyway. I'll show you our view from when we're sat in the car. Our windows desperately need washed. Look at that.
Ah, why didn't you ask?
Yeah, that's our view. And there's a nice bit over there. But we're gonna go play all cute dog mate.
Mm-hmm.
I want to pick it up and snuggle it. Tiny, tiny puppy. Anyway, we'll see you when we're out on the beach.
Our activities. Right, Hayley, I'll go and get us some water.
Look at this. What a nice little set. It's actually so lovely at the beach. Oh, it's so nice and peaceful. Can't put my oxygen down, so got it on my knee, chilling.
Oh no.
Michael's taking his shoes off and socks off. It's actually really nice. There's not a breeze.
No.
There's like no breeze, which is so unusual by the sea. Oh, it's such a gorgeous day. I just love the summer. It just makes, well, it's only spring, but it makes it feel so much better.
If you're chilling really quick, turn that off.
Yeah, I can do.
Right. We've got our activities.
You're so nice. I knew I should have bought a towel.
I've claimed my island.
Did you have fun?
I did, Hayley, I won't lie to you. I claimed the land of Mycotopia. Featuring Hayley. This is our sand castle. This is Hayley. And this is the sea. Wow.
Hello everybody, it is much later on and it's been such a long day. So after we got back we had some food, we had fish and chips, then we went for sleep and then my granny-ma came round and then we spoke to Michael's mum and dad. So it's a bit chaotic. Michael is just out giving Toby a little walk because we can't walk him when it's too hot outside because he's an old dog, he'll overheat a lot quicker than what he used to, and having your dog out in hot weather is not the best idea. So we walk him first thing in the morning and last thing at night when it's warm weather. So yeah, I'll get to showing you all what we got because I haven't even put that away yet, honestly. The only thing I've actually put away is I bought a set of 8 photo frames and I've already put them up on the wall, but I will show you because our picture memory wall is pretty much full now. Might have to start another wall somewhere. Yeah, so let's see. We went to a shop called the Original Factory Shop and that's where we got our buckets and spade, a bucket and spade from. We also got some more bubbles for Mazikeen. Let's see what these ones are like. Those are some good bubbles. Mazikeen's gonna love those. What else did I get from that shop? Oh, Hayley, sorry. Sorry, chica. I also got Pig's, a bit of Pig's birthday present. So I got her this. It's a squeaky toy. Coffee Club squeaky toy and her favourite little drums and sticks, and I'll see if I get her anything else, but she probably won't need much. Animal spoils her. So got that. We went to a shop called Hippylicious and I showed you already Michael's little Triceratops crystal thing. I showed you the little rings that I got. And I got myself this for the kitchen. I love it. I've already got a little sign up. This is Witch's Kitchen, but this is cute. Not sure yet where I'm gonna hang it, but I'm gonna hang it somewhere. And I got this probably to go into my office, to be honest. Don't know, I'll put it on the white door. Don't know, can you see that? It says all witches welcome with a wee hat and a bat. I thought it was so cute. Just to go in my office on the wall. So that's what I got from there. Then we went to Boots. We needed some toothpaste. So that was that. Michael doesn't like his chocolate toothpaste. So we needed normal toothpaste. And I have been using the Molly May tanning butter cream stuff. And I love it. It's really good. It makes my skin feel so soft after tanning. So I did. I treated myself to the Molly May tanning mousse. It is expensive actually for a tanning. I think it was £24. But we will see if it's worth it. Because the other stuff I treated myself to, I think it was the Saint-Tropez stuff or something. And it cost £15. And even though it gives you a really nice tan and it looks really nice, it's such a pain to put on. It's really hard to rub in. It's just such a pain. So I'm hoping this is going to be easy to rub in, like a smooth application and an even finish. But we will see. I'll let you know how we get on with that. Next, we popped into Home Bargains, and that's where I got picture frames, which I will show you. I had to use cow print. I needed him. Michael says I don't need any more, but I do. He's cow print. He's perfect. I need to open him because he's been added to my collection. Even though I have no room. And when I say no room, I mean no room. I thought about getting one of those. Remember when you're a kid? Maybe like 80s and 90s, there was like a net that hangs in the corner of your room. And you used to hang your teddies in it. One of those. I need a big one of those. It's just a fact. I wonder if Amazon sells them. Amazon sells everything. Maybe I'll ask for one for my birthday.
Ask for one of what?
A big net to hang on my teddies.
They probably do, yeah.
Yeah. Let's see him. Let's see him. Oh. Look at him. Michael, look at my cow print fuggler.
Is he exquisite? Oh my god, his ears. Ah.
I knew I needed him.
I knew you needed him.
Look at his silly little face. And all my family have already made the joke. I could just take the fuggler's teeth and replace them mine. Baby! But being as NHS are not fix my teeth, Michael has surprised me with an appointment to go and see a private dentist about my teeth. And it's next week. So we'll see what they're saying, we'll see prices and that sort of thing, but maybe.
Watch this space.
Michael says watch this space. Michael got some more of his favourite little cakeys. He got one of his deodorants. Oh yeah, and I got myself a bottle of juice to put in the fridge. Because I'm out of juices. Granny Mo came round with some more of her homemade lemon possets. And they're in the fridge, and I really want to have one. But it's also really late, and I shouldn't. The next place was, remember I said we were going into a shop, a doggy shop. Well, it was like a charity shop run for race horses and race dogs, like greyhounds. And I actually found two amazing things in there that Michael hates, but I love. Are you ready for these? They're little orangutans. So there's the mummy one with the baby one. And here's like the mummy with the daddy. Smoochies. They're so cute. They're going straight on the shelf. I don't care. The big one was £4 and the little one was £3, which I thought was really good. And it goes to doggies and horses, so it's all good for me. Next we went to Sainsbury's and Eurovision tomorrow night, so a little bit of a party in this house. We love the Eurovision. I have got myself, it's a non-alcoholic peach Bellini. Never had a peach Bellini, alcohol or non-alcohol, but it sounds amazing. It sounds fruity. So I'm going to try that. Michael got a pair of jeans, but I don't know where he's gone with them. This is Sainsbury's, by the way. I got myself a sun hat, just with the warmer weather coming. And we got ourselves a tikka masala to try. It comes with the little spices to marinate the chicken. We got Mexican chicken fajita flavored noodles. Got some flour and some icing, frosting. Because I'm going to make some little cakes for tomorrow. I got these really cool trousers. They're actually really long, so they're going to fit perfectly. They're 100% cotton. I think you could wear these for loungewear. You could wear these out to the beach. I don't know, my hair has these spikes coming up. Yeah, just really, really nice. Actually quite big for a size 8. I think they'll be nice on them. Sainsbury's actually have some really nice clothes for the men and women. Michael got a really nice pair of jeans. And Michael's really hard to like buy jeans. It's like me because he has really long legs. Trying to get his waist size in a long leg is a nightmare sometimes, but they actually had, and we got a big thing of toilet roll. And that was our shopping haul for the day. Will we go see how Mazkin likes her bubbles? Let's go see. Where have you been? What's that mean? Wow!
Oh my god.
They're all popping on me!
The kitty is having the time of their life. Get him, Nini. Come on, get him.
Wow! Look at this too. Look at this too. Anyway, that's as off skis for them. I'm gonna start watching Eurovision now.
Let the Eurovision Song Contest begin!
I chose a slide. That's up there for me. I like that. I like that.
Graced us with her warmth and her smile, even though the technology failed. So she's one of my biggest idols, Karin Falk.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Karin Falk.
Shows that for Susan.
And so at last to the thrilling moment when our Jerusalem. Yes.
Turkey, 3 points.
Could we have 3 points on the turkey, please? 3 points for turkey.
I wish I could say it's got better.
No, I don't need them all. Just make what you want out of yours.
Now I'm glad we had this opportunity to be together for a little while. Bonsoir.
Such a class act.
Younger than Kylie, but in the context of this very young competition, she seems like Daisy Lynn. Comedy Spanish and raunchy. If you're not a fan of male flesh, particularly male paunches.
Don't you go anywhere near you. Get the cats. Don't be this one. Yes! What country is this? Spanish.
The birth of a Eurovision.
You're a queen, Toby. You're a queen.
Nicolasa and Bora.
You can't tell, but that's the official dance. Raise your gooses.
Are you drunk? Hello guys, that is the Eurovision 2024 finished. I've ended it in my pyjamas on the couch, nearly falling asleep like every year. But we got through it and it was good. Not the voting I thought it would be, not the people I wanted to win won, but it rarely ever is. But it was good nonetheless, we had fun. But we're going to put all of the rest of the snacks away and go to bed. So I will catch up with you tomorrow. Bye.
Yeah, and because she's got one up there as well, look. All three of them, so that one's not no tape on that one. Okay. What have you done? What have you done? What's this? Go get your present. Come on, Piggy. Listen here. Listen. Pig. No, she doesn't know what's going on, does she?
She'd rather have some attention.
Oh, you just want a bit of fuss first, yeah?
Softy.
Oh, okay. Piggy! There you go, you have some fuss. You get some fuss.
Piggy, what's in your
Right, go and open them then. Come on. Come on. What is it? I'll open it first. Don't me open it first.
She's tending to be shy.
Come on, open it!
Once you're sure what's in it, she'll come.
Oh, Piggy.
Okay.
What's this?
What's in this one though? She doesn't know yet, but she's
Oh,
going to get it.
Piggy. Look, what's that? Oh my gosh. What is that? Is that I'm sitting nice?
Oh.
I'm sitting
You gonna get
nice.
one? You have a Piggy?
Oh, Sunny round one.
Yeah. What's that?
Piggy.
Oh, sauces are made.
Oh,
It's a treat. Get your little treat. Oh, what's in here? Look. Come on, open it. Look.
No, she's trying to open it.
You have to hold it.
I know.
Come on, pick it.
Come on, baby. Come on. Get it. Oh, that's it. Oh, do you see something? What is it? Come on, baby.
And she's like cutting her sweets.
Oh, what's that? So I'll take that from you.
Oh, you like that?
Take that whole bit.
What is it?
What is it? What is it? What's that, Piggy? What
Is it
is it?
squeak or anything?
I'll check.
I think it does.
Oh,
It's like a.
oh, look at
She
that.
says it's only more.
Where's the rest of my presents?
That's enough. You've got a new toy and you've got some biscuits.
Biscuits. Oh, I'm gonna get your toy. Oh, it's my toy now. It's my toy. It's my toy now. Oh, it's my toy. Oh.
Yeah, pig.
That is the end of this week's video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.